What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do these LED lights. I got this kit from Amazon. Link will be in the description. It's a 15-piece lengths for the cargo, vanity, dome, license plate, map, cargo, and footwell lights. We're going to need some Pro Tools. I got a little pick, a T30 bit, some needle nose pliers, and lights. That's all you're gonna need for this. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is gonna take your Pro Tool wedge. I'm probably not gonna be able to do this with on camera, but you want a wedge in the middle, probably in the middle, and then it should pop this off the lenses. Once you got that off, pull this off. Take your Pro Tool. Pry it out. Get your light out. They do have plus and minus. Plus at the top. To get this light out, it's going to be a clip right here on the edge. Once you get the cover back, go ahead and use your needle nose pliers to take the light out. Now take your new LED and put it in with the positive side facing you. Cool. To get these off, just gonna pull this off. Same thing, take your needle nose pliers, pull the light out. Alright, once you got the light out, same before, just push it in there, put the cap back on. Alright. This shit whooping my ass, I ain't even gonna lie. Alright, to get to these right here, the backseat ones, they actually soldered into the like the board itself inside the car, so can't really get to those. To get to the trunk lights, you're gonna have to remove the tailgate trim bezel. Start from the corner right here, pry it, and then start prying on the outside. Go all around. Make sure you hold this up, because if you pull it down, it's gonna break. All right. I went ahead and previously did so when I installed these right here, I had to take this off, so I went ahead and took it off. So this is how you expose a light. If you don't take it all the way off, all you gotta do is unscrew it, and then to expose the bulb, take it out and replace it same way you did all the other ones. But these are the final look of these. If you happen to pull it down and it come down, and like I showed you before, it has the bezel exposed that cover the light, and those clips come off right here. These clips, the lenses just go inside that white trim piece that you turn to get the light bulb exposed. So that's how you put those back in. But I hope this video helps somebody out. Remember to like and subscribe. Link will be in the description where I got these from. Till next time.